The Parrot Bebop, flown at Hartshead Pike, near Mosley, just past Ashton-under-Lyne in Greater Manchester. Yeah, I'm not going to prattle all the way through this. Local dialect to speak. Oh, creaky floorboard. Yeah, it did a really good job of flying on a mixed day, let's say. There's a bit of rain spotted on the camera later. It definitely is able to fly by the phone, although we did have a few blackout issues where the screen went blank and the drone tried to land. And I've never yet had to do a GPS dance with it, which is a bit odd. But hey, no instructions, whatever. Camera's excellent. Love flying it. Very noisy, but apart from that and the short flight time, it really does hold a good account of itself. Do have a fly pad on the way. Not the big Sky controller, just a fly pad to see what that's like with it. And there have been connection issues with that, I believe, as well. But hey, with all drones, there's something. So the Parrot Bebop at Hartshead Pike, filming in glorious 1080p, flying against some wind and some rain, and with two drone pilots. Yeah, people trying to fly around it. Heavily edited because there was a few cranky bits where we didn't quite turn the right way and so on. I hope you enjoy the footage. Leave a comment below by all means. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as always. And thanks again. Cheers.